Are you looking for a quick and easy meal to get you around 50 grams of protein? Well, I got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you a sandwich that I made yesterday that was amazing. I'm probably gonna make it again today. I'll show you exactly which ingredients to buy. If you're on a weight loss journey, this is great for you. If you're just looking for a healthy meal for lunch or dinner, this one is so easy to make. It's super tasty. And I'm trying to tell you, if you keep these ingredients in stock, man, you stay ready, you don't have to get ready, all right? So let me show you what I had. It is a chicken sandwich that was just amazing. I'm trying to tell you, it tasted so good. I'm excited to make this video for you. Let me know how you like it, all right? So first up, of course, I always recommend you get some chicken, get some protein, okay? Now, this right here, this is the thin sliced chicken breast. The reason why I always recommend trying to find a thin slice, it just makes your life much easier. If you can't find thin slice, it's fine. Get the regular chicken breast and just slice them in half. They cook a lot quicker. I like to get the thin slice. Now, 6 ounces of chicken, I weighed out 6 ounces of chicken, and that's gonna get you around 36 grams of protein or so. So make sure you weigh out your chicken, however much protein you need, decide how much protein you want. So grab you some chicken. Like I said, go with the thin slice, all right? So simple to cook. I just cooked it in a little bit of olive oil. Put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, cook the chicken, and then, flip it a few times. And then what I like to add on there is some lemon pepper. You don't have to add lemon pepper if you don't want to. I just like adding lemon pepper. It gives it great flavor. But also in the chicken, as the chicken's cooking, I use this. Go and get you a lemon. All right, keep some lemon in stock. I'm trying to tell you, I use lemon all the time and it tastes amazing on chicken. As the chicken's cooking, what you can do is squeeze a little bit of lemon on the top and then flip it. Squeeze a little bit more lemon on the top, flip it, and add some lemon pepper, and it just gives it amazing flavor. This is only if you like lemon. If you don't like lemon pepper, then use your own seasoning, but I like to use lemons. Now, if you don't have lemon, now if you don't want to buy a bunch of lemons, what I highly recommend you do is, which I also keep in stock, is something like this right here. Go get you just a jar of pure lemon juice. You're only going to use a little bit. I cook with this all the time. If you don't want to use oil, use this. If you don't want to use butter, use this. Or if you just want to add some more flavor to your chicken, to your pasta, to your salads, this is amazing. This is a game changer right here, okay? So keep this in stock. You will be using it a lot. I use it all the time, okay? So if you don't want to go get a bunch of lemons, go with this, all right? Now for the bread, my bread of choice for this meal was this right here, sourdough bread. This tastes amazing, all right? If you get down with sourdough, you let me know what's your favorite kind of sourdough. Now, 2 slices of this is 120 calories, 0 grams of fat, 4 grams of protein, and 24 grams of carbs. All right, so that's for 2 slices of this. Okay, so that's pretty good. If you're on a low carb diet, you can still have sourdough. Sourdough is really good for you as well. Sourdough is a great bread to have. Okay, now if you're no carb at all, definitely don't go this. Go with some keto bread. But if you're just low carb or not worried about carbs, try out some sourdough. The flavor is great. And on this chicken sandwich, man, it tasted amazing, right? Okay, so on the sandwich, when the chicken was ready, I made this. It's a sauce, but man, it is so good. I'm gonna show you, it is so simple, okay? If you keep these items in stock, your old boring chicken will never be boring anymore, all right? So let me show you exactly what you use. Buy these ingredients because you're gonna be making this a lot, all right? So check this out. Okay, so a lot of the sauces that you can make at home for your chicken or for your beef, any kind of sauce, they're all based in Greek yogurt. So if you go get you some Greek yogurt, you can make your sauce. It's not that hard. I'm gonna show you one of the quickest and easiest sauces I like to make. Tasted great on this meal right here. So what I want you to do, just go get you some Greek yogurt, whatever brand you want to go with. You can go with Chobani, you can go with Fahe, it doesn't matter. What you're gonna do, what I did is I used only half a serving of this. We're just gonna make the sauce that we're gonna put on top of the bread. That's gonna taste amazing with that chicken. I'm gonna show you how to make this quick sauce. You're gonna be making this a lot because it is really good. It's a great way to add flavor to any meal that you have, all right? So what you're gonna do is use half a serving of this. Then you're just gonna use a little bit of your lemon juice. Or if you have lime juice, you can use that as well. Lime juice tastes great as well. Or you can just use the other half of your lemon, whichever one you wanna roll with. So if you did the lemon, use the other half in the sauce, okay? Or you just mix a little bit of lemon juice, not much, all right? It doesn't take much, okay? Then another item I can recommend you just keep in stock is this right here. This is great. This ranch seasoning, you're only gonna use a little bit. Just sprinkle a little bit into the yogurt, into the lemon juice. You're just gonna mix it around, all right? It tastes really good. If you've had this, let me know in the comments because I get down with this. I use this all the time. This is optional, but I love to add this into this mixture. This right here, Tajin seasoning. If you get down with this, you let me know in the comments. This stuff is great. Get this. It doesn't make it spicy, but it gives it a ton of flavor. There's something in here that's just really good. It gives it a lot of flavor. Okay, so you just need a little bit. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix all that in with each other, and then go get you some of this right here. Tricolor coleslaw has been my jam. I've been using this so much on my lettuce wraps, on my pitas, on as a base for my salads, for all kinds of good stuff. All right, find you some tricolor coleslaw, give it a shot. Measure you out, about a cup of this right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna mix that yogurt dip in with the coleslaw. You're gonna mix it all together, and then you're gonna put that on top of the sourdough bread. And then after that, you put the chicken on top of the coleslaw that's on top of the sourdough, and then you just put the rest of the coleslaw on top of the chicken. And there you go. It is so good. It is so good. You're gonna have to try this one. You let me know if you like it. I liked it. There was a ton of flavor. The chicken is already cooked in the lemon juice, in the lemon pepper. Flavor was great. And then you add it to the sourdough, which sourdough bread tastes really good. Like I said, you don't have to go with sourdough if you don't want to. If you want to go with a different kind of bread, if you're keto, go with a keto bread, because this sauce with the tricolor coleslaw is gonna make it taste great. Believe me, it's gonna taste great. And there you go. You have your sandwich, which is almost 50 grams of protein, because you have the chicken, there's a little bit of protein in the bread, 4 grams of protein, and then you have half a serving of the Greek yogurt that adds some more protein to your meal. Okay, now if you need a little bit more protein, if you want to kick it up a little bit, what I highly recommend you do, if you want to kick up the protein, you can either side it with like some Quest chips, have sandwich and the chips, or you can go with something like this. All right, these little cottage cheese containers are great. This is a good culture. This has 19 grams of protein in this little container. Have you a meal that's packed with protein just by the chicken sandwich and adding this right here. You can't beat that. All right, this is an easy way to hit your protein goals. I'm trying to show you ways you can hit your protein goals with the quickness, and it tastes great. You're gonna want to try this chicken sandwich. Put it on whatever bread you want to, but you can also side it with this because you already have your yogurt. Put a little cottage cheese with it. Cottage cheese is such an easy way to hit your protein goals, easy way to get you to whatever goals those are. All right, so you want to hit your protein goals every single day, and these are just easy ways to do it. I made this sandwich yesterday. I liked it so much. I was like, I got to make a video. I got to show this one to you. So hopefully you like this one. Hopefully this one helps you out. Let me know in the comments if it does. Let me know if you have another way you like to cook your chicken breast. All right. So if there's some more seasonings or some way you like to cook your chicken breast, let me know in the comments, because I'll definitely check it out. But lemon pepper is my go-to. Such a simple way to cook it. Tastes great. Now, if you don't like lemon pepper, do it another way, but let me know how you do it, because I want to try it out as well. It will hold you down. It's a great meal. I had it yesterday and I was like, man, it's so good. I got to make a video for you. So let me know what you think on this, and I want to talk to y'all next time. Let's go.